Hello and welcome to my shop. It's been a while since we've worked on this thing. Last time we saw how we did one panel. This time we're gonna see how we do the other one and go up to placing the hinges, and that's gonna be pretty much it for now. As I told you last time, I don't have very much time to work on this thing, and I've been busy with my day job and I've been busy around the house, and I did not have much time to work on this. Excuse me for taking so long. And in this one you won't see the finished product. It's only gonna be in the next one. Hopefully the next one you'll see the installation of a finished product. But for now, let's go ahead and focus on this part right here. Well, we're gonna move one side of the table to the center here and try to sand the sides. Yeah, I got my PPE on. We can go ahead. So I'm gonna sand the sides here so they can be even, because with all the small pieces without the right thickness, I don't know if you remember, but I didn't adjust them to the correct thickness before gluing pieces up on that side. And I'm not gonna do that on the other side anymore. So I want to make sure when I sand it's still square to the other edges. So I'm checking that, and it is square, so we can keep going. So now let's work on the other side. So the other side, all the pieces are cut. I'm gonna transfer from a table saw to the assembly table all the pieces, and I'm missing one. I don't know where it went, so I need to make another one. Luckily I have other pieces left over so I can use them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure the right side, the right length for this tiny piece before doing anything else. Done. Let's move the table back to where it was at the beginning, and we're gonna move all the pieces away and then start gluing. So for this I'm gonna use a mix of wood glue. It's gonna be type 1-2 and CA glue with accelerator, so it acts as a clamp so I can keep moving. And I do that for all the panel. And now the legs. Look at how the pieces are matching up. Lovely, but I need to make sure that the panels will align before I finish the legs, else it's not gonna match anymore. So let's forget about this for a minute and let's keep working on the panels. Let's do the sides. There are massive gaps in between the boards because I didn't pay attention and good enough, and they moved on me. So now I need to fix it. I'm gonna fix it with some wedges, which I'll sand so we can fit, or even use a hand plane to make it quicker. Let's now flip the board and make sure the sides are flush to the back so it can go on the wall correctly. Let's now level everything. For this I'm gonna use the belt sander, and here I'm just setting it up so it's high enough so I don't have to play too long. So the sticks are about the thickness of this board. So let's go ahead and run with it. Breaker. And then guess what? Yep, I burned the paper in 3 places. Let's call it good for the day. I can sand it later with a hand sander. Let's now trim the edges to make it even so I can put the hinges in there. And for this I need to change the blade to one more appropriate with more tooth count. Not a reaping blade, but a blade for fin stock. Let's do that. Need to tighten the two sprungles and let them in on each one. And this was LU1G200. I didn't put the camera far enough, so the sliding table is bumping on it. Tells me it's time to quit for the day. I've used for months. So that's what we're gonna use for hinges. Your full opening, and we go straight in the middle of the board, and then go like this. Here you go. SOSS invisible hinges. I'll put the link in the description for you. We are SOSS 204. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of building this folding table. I know it's not done, but again, there is not very much time to work on this. And hopefully next time will be the time where the table is finally done after months of starting on it and being not able to work on it. I mean, tons of stuff going on at work, around the house, to take care of, and also it's been really warm in here, and there is no AC in the shop, so it's making it more difficult too. But anyways, done complaining. Next time you'll see the finished product. Thank you again for tuning in, and I'll catch you later.